from TridentZ without any additional cost. What is this? I didn't order that. Suspension balance frame. Not sure why they include this, but that's okay. Okay, it's fine. Alright, we do have a converter for your US or European plug. Travel adapter. Smartphone itself. And TridentZ €5 discount. Pause the video if you want to read it. And be quick, because everyone is watching. And the box itself is thick, so there's high probability there will be everything inside. Case included. Let's unbox it. Factory sealed. Please open, be careful. Satisfaction. TridentZ. This device was pre-checked by our servers. Great success. What's inside? We do have a case. We do have manual. No, stick. I don't know what that is. Manual and SIM card tool, and of course the case. It's a flexible case, silicone case. Huge cutout for the camera. Damn. What other accessories do we have? Okay, we do have a brick, which is a 100-watt brick, power brick, and cable. USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable, which is very thick cable. Yes. Satisfaction. Look at that. Artificial leather. Wow. It looks like an ultra premium device. Nicely balanced, not too wide, feels very nice in the hand, and look at that. Look at that premium look. Wow. We do have a power button on the right, antenna, volume buttons, another antenna, AR blaster, microphone, speaker, antenna, and on the left we do have a switch. Physical switch, 3 steps, antenna, another antenna, SIM card tray. This could be a microphone, USB Type-C, antenna, USB Type-C, and speaker. So tons and tons of antennas. Apologize for my dirty hands. I've serviced my bike just a couple of minutes ago, and I cleaned my hands, but there is some grace. Here's a plastic on the screen. I'm not gonna take it off at the moment. Whoa. Entering VIP mode. Look at that beautiful screen. Swipe it, and Google Play Store is already pre-installed, which is a great success. I already installed Video Maker, Irium, and YouTube Studio. Everything else is pre-installed. Yeah, a little bit of bloatware here and there. If we hit about the device, that's the specification. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 5000 mAh battery, 6.82-inch screen, 16 GB of RAM. You can extend it to the ROM, but I won't do that because ROM is slower. Cameras and isolated secure chip, NFC secure chip, which is a fantastic Android 14. Great Color OS. It is smooth, really smooth. If we hit display, then refresh rate, we can have auto, standard 60 or high 120. Let's leave it for 120. Adaptive sleep, screen resolution, we can have all the way to 3168 to 1440. Adaptive or standard. Let's hit high resolution. There you go. Do we see any difference? No, I don't. Do you? Anyway, if we hit a VIP mode, click twice, VIP mode, you can see camera, microphone, and localization is not available. If we hit camera, see in the VIP mode, it's not available for a safety reason, because you are VIP and you don't want to get filmed or located. Let's turn it off, and that's the camera in the master mode. Let me place some subject in here. Okay, this is too big. Something like Okay, lens cover would be nice. We do have autofocus in wide angle lens, which is, wow, winning. We are in the master mode. There's also a pro mode. Let's get the video. Autofocus in wide angle lens. Damn. Whoa. That's smoothness. 1x. Okay, those lenses are in a different place, completely different place. So if we switch lenses, the subject will also switch the place on the screen. See? Of course it will. 2x, 3x. That's the macro for you. Okay, it's too much zoom for such a close subject. Front-facing camera, 4K 16 front-facing camera. You can do with zoom 2x. Wow, why would you go 2x for the zoom? Maybe for the makeup girls will need that feature. And in the front-facing camera, 4K 60. Also, can we switch lenses during the recording? Unfortunately not, and we cannot switch lenses during the recording in 4K 60, but in 4K 30 we can. You see, in 4K 30 we can do it. We can switch lenses during the recording without front and back, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. Front-facing camera, we do have autofocus in front-facing camera, but it is a bit slow. A bit. In photo, same deal. We can shoot macros. Whoa, that's too far. Bam. Nice, nice, really nice. Wow, I'm shocked. A little bit shocked. A little bit shocked. What do we have here? Internal HDR portrait. Very nice tracking. More. We do have dual video. We do have high res. So you can shoot 50, I think, megapixels. Why it's out of focus? Should we do it like this? Bam. Yeah, 50 megapixels. Wow. Now that is good. 50 megapixels, my friend. From all the lenses. Yep, exactly. From all of them. 50 megapixels. That is really nice. Okay, let me show you some samples, photo and video. Bear in mind, this is just an unboxing video, so that's what you get with the wide angle lens. And it is really good. Really good. Speakers, stereo speakers. Sounds great. Oh, it sounds really, really good. Full review, of course, and coming soon. And that's all I have for now. Very nice balance. Oh, I forgot the cover. Yeah, original cover is going to protect your screen and everything. It definitely will at the bottom and at the top sides. No, it won't. Camera definitely will protect your camera. And I think that's all I have for now. Wait for the full review. Wait for the camera review. See you next video.